Okay guys, check this out. We're at a chocolate farm. Okay, it's not really chocolate, it's cacao. This is in Chiang Mai. The trees are fairly young, but lots of fruit on. We'll go take a look around. The young fruit. This place sells all kinds of stuff. You could buy the seedlings as well, the little trees. Look at the size of the leaves. I haven't seen this. Wow, those leaves are big. I haven't seen these trees in Thailand before. But I've seen really, really old trees in Bali. Really, really big. Wow. That's flowers. Cool. Look how many there are. Cool place, man. Look how many there are. They're pretty small. All the way up too. Cool. A lot more leaves on this side. These are a long ways from. They turn yellow when they're ready to harvest. That's a good sized one right there. I assume there's many different varieties of cacao like there is with everything. This little one's turning yellow. It's really small. Wow, these are a different color. Almost reddish purple. Look at that. Cool, huh? I'm gonna go all the way up. Some of these trees have been cut back hard. Maybe that's what they need. Oh, there's a nice, a couple of nice yellow ones. This one looks almost ready. There's his partner. Another one, a bit small, this one, but he looks ready. Cause that one's jammed in there. That's cool. There's some more. There's another yellow one, really small. Yellow one up there. Oh, these are a lot bigger. These are the ones I saw when I walked in. Oh, that's it, guys. A first for me in Thailand. Like I say, I've seen them before, but really old trees. Really, really big trees. This tree don't look so good. These are real small. Pretty cool. Never know what you're going to find when you go exploring. Wow, that's a big leaf. That's a big leaf. And a little baby tree.